So Apple started rolling out Apple Intelligence with the macOS 15.1 beta update. You can install macOS 15.1 beta update on your Mac if you want to use Apple Intelligence on your device. You can watch this video on how to install macOS 15.1 beta update. Its link is in the description. Currently, Apple Intelligence only works in the US region, and if you live in some other region, then you cannot try it. In this video, I will guide you with how you can get Apple Intelligence on macOS 15 outside US. So first of all, open the launchpad from this icon. If you are using MacBook, then you can pinch with 4 fingers on the trackpad to open launchpad. Here, search for System Settings and open it. Now on the left pane of the System Settings, click on this option. After this, click on this drop-down menu next to Language. Now select English US. Now you should see this Join Waiting List button. Click on it. After this, click on Join Waiting List button again. Now wait for some time and you will get Apple Intelligence on your Mac.